Hello, 725 up there in Michigan, man. Sounded good in Tennessee. We just kind of turned this thing on, trying to see what was going on out here. 018 Beavis with Evening Time Week. Alright, 725, sounding good, man. Got you on a video gate. 018 Tennessee Beavis. Broken down, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Have a 5-1 to you. 725 in the Great Lakes. We're still
Roger, 725. Appreciate you hollering at us. That other hand out there hollering, go ahead. I heard you. I didn't catch your numbers. Hello, Wild Child up there in Canada. Hello, Wild Child in Canada, man. Sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis waving. Roger, Wild Child, man. Hope you have a good evening. Appreciate it. I hear 158 Ontario, Canada. 158 Ontario, Canada. Sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis waving. Hello, Ontario, Canada. Hello, Ontario, Canada. Sounding good this evening in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave. I don't really know which way Mother Nature's trying to run. Just got on here. Got the beam pointed up north. Don't really know which way she's running. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the Evening Time Wave.
018, Great Lakes 505, we're waving.
Hello, 505. Appreciate you hollering, man. Mr. 505, you're sounding good in Tennessee, and I got you on a video gate. 018 waving. Roger, 505. I ain't really pointed Illinois, but I heard somebody on the slow key in Illinois. 018 saying good evening.
Hey man, I'm gonna wait very bad.
Let me turn over BTK. That might be a little better. Hello, Mr. BTK, Bravo Tango Kilo, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave. BTK, I'm trying to get this beam on you. BTK 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave. Guess they all broken down. Donkey Stomper ain't getting at the BTK. Anyway, sounding good, BTK. Heard you in there, man. Got you on the gate. 018 Beavis waving. up? I'm gonna give me a big old radio. 018 Tennessee Beavis on a broken down donkey stomper with the wave. Mother Nature just ain't being too nice to me this evening. Oh, Mother Nature, she's trying to shut the door on those 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave. I heard one pill, let's go west. Yard Turd in there. You heard me.
Well, I'm trying to bring it home somewhere. You got a sloppy copy, bye.
Well, what's going on down west this evening? Talked a little up north. I'll look down west, see what we got. Roll this gate. 018 Tennessee Beavis, broken down donkey stomper with the westbound wave.
So much bass, I can't quite put him out when I got me in. Doggone, you got the key. You got it on top of it, man. You the saddle, and he be the blanket on the caballo, on the horse. What it is, or what it is.
Hey, one pill. Hey, one pill. One pill, 018 Tennessee Beavis. I'm gonna wave at you one time, man. Good evening. One pill, I'm gonna try one more time, and that's it. Hey, one pill, I'm gonna try one more time. 018 Tennessee Beavis, waving. Good evening up there in Wisconsin. I'll have to roll my beam back around on you, man. I'll bring it around there. Three seven eight Wisconsin. Mr. 378 Wisconsin, sounding good in Tennessee. Got you on the video gate. Mother Nature ain't the best in the world, but I got you, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave. Bye 378. Hey man, you have a good one. If I ain't told you this, I don't think I have. Happy New Year, man. From 018 Tennessee Beavis, donkey stomper with the wave. Bye, 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 bye.
Undertaker, you said you're waving from. Hey, Carl being 111, jump around from the airplane, Great Lakes 505.
505, I got you again in Tennessee. 505, still sounding good in the 10, man. 018, wave.
You're making a lot of noise in the Great Lakes, Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're waving right back.
Roger 505. Yeah, Mother Nature dibble and dabble, man. I'll turn my beam one way and try to get to Texas and to turn it back up here to Wisconsin and just round it around. It's not really no real good Mother Nature, but appreciate y'all in 505. 018 Tennessee Beavis, broken down donkey stomper with the wave.
Motion, like a country, right?
Triple one, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave. Good evening in Wisconsin.
Hey, good evening, right back to you. I think you said 01 someplace around Tennessee. I don't know. We don't have the best of conditions on this end, but I'm going to try my best to wave right back at you. 2019 to you and yours, ain't nobody but triple ones. Triple one, sometimes called Snowman. Snowman up around Milwaukee, Wisconsin on this Yakimo, and I'm getting on down.
Hey, triple one, snowman. You got 018. That's a 0 and an 18 in Beavis in Tennessee. That's 018 Beavis in Tennessee, man. You're sounding good. Happy New Year to you and yours, man. That old Yakimo's doing you a good job. 018 Tennessee Beavis, broken down donkey stomper with the wave.
And that'll run you 018. And that'll run you 018. Appreciate the wave, appreciate the comeback. Nobody but Snowman. Snowman, better known as triple ones on this Yakimo up here in the beer capital. On down.
Bye, snowman. Bye, triple one. Bye, snowman. Sounding good in Tennessee, man. Appreciate you hollering. Got you on the video. Gate 018 Beavis in 10. We're listening.
That'll run you. Sounding real good. Wisconsin. I'm gonna bang this Yakimo down. I will, BJ. But I thought I heard somebody else try to speak to me also. But nevertheless, I'm gonna say good evening around. Ain't nobody but old Snowman.
Yard Turd Tn.
Up around Milwaukee, Wisconsin on this Yakimo. And I'm getting on down.
Bye, snowman.
55 can slow motion, say hello. Hey, 155 can slow motion. What do you about that value country? Let's go. I didn't catch that hello. Right back to you around James Brown town. Someplace around the
Hello, slow motion. Hey, slow motion down there in the bayou, man. Just gonna take a minute to wave a hand at you. Rolling this old video gate. 018 Tennessee Beavis saying hello, Mr. Slow Motion. We're waving.
Hello, 018. You said you got a Watergate roller. Hello, 018. You said you have a Watergate roller. 018. Slow motion by your country. Say, what that Watergate roller?
Slow motion, I posted up on Donkey Stomper Products. We posted on YouTube, Donkey Stomper Products, and your name will be in the title. Sounding good to buy you, slow motion. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Alright, 018. You said Donkey Stomper Products, and you said my name will be on the top of it. Hey, 018. I'm looking in the Carolinas. I'm gonna turn your way.
Hello, 777. I'm not really sure where you're at, man. 777, not really sure where you're at, but I'm gonna wave a friendly 5018 Tennessee Beavis. Got you on the gate with the wave.
And you will be listening. Hello, 165 Tennessee slow motion. Are you country waving?
Slow motion, I got you in there now. Still sounding good on the video gate, slow motion. 018 Beavis in 10. We're waiting.
018. When you do it like that, I gotta leave them on the window down. Hey, 018. When you do it like that, slow motion have to leave 165 on the mall. Hello, 018. Slow motion waving right back. Right up.
Alright, slow motion, didn't mean to key up with nobody, man. I just wanted to let you know when you turned your beam, you did that deal. I'm about to shut this video gate off. So slow motion, Appreciate you talking to me, man. I've used my airtime. I'm going to get off here and be quiet. You take care down in the bayou now, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
All right, then, Mr. 018, I sure appreciate the wave. You sounded real good down here in the bayou country. 018, slow motion waving. Hey, 165, I'm waving at you too. 165 Tennessee, slow motion got down, right?
Bye, so much.